Rooster. Male chicken known for its vibrant feathers, distinctive comb, and loud crowing. Physical characteristics. Combs and wattles. Large, vibrant combs on the head and lobed wattles below the beak. Feathers. Long, colorful, and often iridescent. Spurs. Sharp spurs on legs, growing with age. Tails. High-arched, sometimes over 12 inches long. Habitat. Found in farms, backyards, forests, and urban coops. Diet. Omnivores eating grains, fruits, seeds, and insects. Behavior. Senses. Good hearing, weak smell and taste. Crowing. Loud calls to communicate and mark territory. Role. Protects hens and alerts the flock to danger. Lifespan. Typically 5 to 8 years, depending on care and breed.